40 years ago, we didn't have what we have today. No internet, no search engines, no cell phones, no YouTube, no AI. Nothing was actually there. And if you wanted to learn something, you had to find it in a book or find someone who knew what they were doing. And that always became to be a real problem, at least for me. Today, everything is completely different. You can learn just about anything and solve problems faster than ever. And I didn't fully realize how powerful that was until I started making these YouTube videos. And over the last year, I started using tools like AI along with YouTube, and that's where things really started to change for me. You know, my name is Brad Kemp. I'm with Blue Nile Farm, and this channel is just what I do: real work, real projects, real problems. And for the last 2 years, I've been on YouTube. I have about 3,200 subscribers, about 2,400,000 views, and about 400 videos that I created. Half of them being long form videos, and the other half being shorts. Pretty equal there. And those shorts that I make are remixes from the long form. And today this is kind of a record of what I've actually achieved in short, but I also want to talk about what the channel is, where the channel is going. And this channel basically is something that follows my life. And my life is seasonal. In the wintertime, I'm trying to do stuff in my shop that I'm trying to develop with tools and to build things. In the spring, summer, and fall, I'm out here on the farm trying to work where I'm dealing with hay, repairs, equipment, equipment purchases, dealing with driveways, land clearing, and just all kinds of different projects to enhance the farm. And that part isn't going to change, and it's not going to change. But realistically, over the last 2 years, I've covered a lot of different content. And from farm work to equipment to side jobs I've done. And right now I'm planning for my retirement and for my day-to-day life, which I really don't discuss on the YouTube. But that chapter is going to end here shortly. And I've got more content than I want to keep up with. And the content is not the issue. Consistency is the issue, and I've been pretty consistent as far as uploading stuff, but it might not be what everybody wants to see. But that's kind of where I'm kind of trying to explain where I'm going and what I plan on going down the road. Not everything has to be worked. I have a lot of ideas that took off and some that really didn't. And one thing that I started that I thought would really take off was a Let's Start Farming from Scratch series that really didn't take off the way I was hoping it would. And I started off as a podcast, and that was a bad idea. And it just didn't come across well. So I'm kind of learning by doing, because I'm relatively new to making these types of videos, trying to find out what my people want to see. And that's kind of why I'm making this video as a reason to reach out. Right now the channel is a little slow. I don't know why, and I guess that happens, and all depends on the season. And the views go up and the views go down, but my strength, I guess, the channel is growing, I guess, and that's a good thing. And a lot of what I do is seasonal, and what I try to do is things that are happening when the season occurs. I'm about ready to go into hay season, so we're going to make a lot of videos for the next 4 to 5 months about farming and hay, because that's kind of what I do. And maybe people will start to come back and watch that kind of stuff. But when I'm in the shop or I'm planning, things slow down a little bit, and that's part of it. So I'm trying to learn how the YouTube actually works. So here's what I'm fixing as far as to do. I want to do less talking around in circles. I want to get more to the point, make shorter videos and cleaner videos. And that's something that I like to watch personally. So I am gathering a lot of you guys like to see the same thing. So I'm going to try to do that. And hopefully that'll be a little bit better. Sometimes, though, I do think that some videos I need to kind of expand and explain why I'm doing it. And that's just, to me, it makes sense, because I don't like to do something that I don't understand. But anyway, that's the goal. Feedback, I really want to have feedback from people. Let me know what you say. I do take it, I do read it, and I do listen to it a lot of times. Some people think I'm a little too long-winded. That's fair. And sometimes they want more detail. And I know I can't please everybody, but I'm going to try to make videos that are as useful as I can and that'll support the real, the people. Over the last year, though, one of the most important things that I found in my life is starting to utilize AI. And it's not realistically for the content that I'm trying to present. It's more about doing actual work on the farm, fixing things, designing things, developing things. Even doing my bookkeeping, I use AI to help me do that. And I realize a lot of people don't know much about AI, and I think you're really missing the boat because it can really help you out a lot. And if you have explored it, whether you may not be doing it right. And I think that's basically shies people away and it has a lot of different negativity to it. But when it comes down to troubleshooting equipment, planning, repairs, I really find it to be very useful. I use it in the buying process for any kind of tool and piece of equipment that I have. So it's been working out for me so well that I really want to promote it. And that's basically how I operate on my farm. I'm trying to produce and show you guys things that actually do work. You know, I think personally, when you utilize AI, it's just like having a personal assistant there. That's a person that you can phone call out and talk to people. Anybody, we're all trying for advice. And what's nice about it, it's quick advice and it goes in a lot of detail and it will give you a lot of help. So I look at the AI as a personal assistant and it's been very valuable to me. And I'm going to make some videos to show you exactly why I'm talking about that. Because as a personal assistant, it's something that I can bounce my ideas off of. It gives me more direction. It gives it to me fast. And that matters because, I want to be more productive in what I'm doing. I'm always making decisions and it saves me a lot of time. And it does, I try to make sure that it works. It's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. It does make mistakes. I have argued with it and I have corrected it. And you have to guide it to what you want done. But if you really pay attention, in the end, it will really produce for you. You know, what AI does, it gives you a starting point, and that's a way ahead of you guessing. And I think that's what makes it so valuable. And I also utilize AI with YouTube. And I still use YouTube for my personal self, not making videos, but I actually use it as a reference point. And because sometimes you just need to see something. And so for me, AI gives me the direction, the YouTube shows me how, and I make that final decision whether I want to go forward with something or not. The truth is this, these tools are available to everybody. And most people just aren't using them to their fullest potential, whether it's a lack of knowledge, whether they're fearful of it, maybe you don't understand it, or you don't know how to use it. That's what is part of what I want to show here on my videos, to give you guys an idea how you can actually use it and how it really is going to work for you. But this is what's available today, and you have to stay with today's technology. It makes a huge difference. If this stuff was available 40 years ago, like I was saying at the opening, man, I'd be so much farther ahead in my farming operation and what I do that I can find so much value in actually using it. And I guess I want you guys to understand that as well. People come to YouTube for answers. You're sitting here watching me right now for answers. But I want to tell you that if you couple AI with YouTube, and you are able to problem solve situations, you're going to be so much farther ahead. I don't think you even realize what you can do. And your growth of what you learn through the AI is amazing. I mean, it has just helped me understand things and brought up things that I didn't even know existed just in our conversations. So it is definitely a valuable tool that's at your hand. So what I want to do is this. I want to show you guys how to get the answers. I want not just you just to follow somebody, but to understand enough to make your own decisions and using AI as your personal consultant. And what you're going to start to see here on some of my videos is you're still going to see farm work and repairs and equipment projects, but I also might explain to you how I utilized AI to get to some of these solutions if I need to, because how I plan and how I things out and how I make decisions, that's what's real life. And that's the stuff that I think that you guys want to see. Some days I'm going to be talking about equipment. Other days I'm going to talk about planning and bookkeeping, cooking decisions. I cover all kinds of stuff in my YouTube videos because that's what happens in my life. I don't want my videos to be just limited to just farming. Everything I do in my life that I think is important to somebody and I want to share, that's the stuff I'm going to be bringing up. And so it's not just always going to be working with grease and dirt, because I think those are things that people are missing out on. I'm always trying to figure things out, and I figure if I can share it, it's well worth it, and it's all connected to my farming base. This channel is like a timeline of my life, and you might see something today, and later you'll see it in use. Then later you'll see why I did it, and I'll give you an example. Like right now I'm changing. I bought a laser. I got a plasma cutter. I'm trying to get clean air. I'm changing up on my air compressors. I'm getting a clean air system. And I really don't want to incorporate any of this until I have my clean air system completely built, because why damage the tools till you're ready? So I made a lot of segments on air compressors, plasma cutters, clean air, and on lasers, and they're all going to come together in the end once I get this situated, and then you'll see the whole evolution. And that, I think, is the most important part, because everything I show in my videos is an evolution. You're watching me figure things out, you're watching me build, adjust, and move forward. And the reality is this: I still got a full-time job, and that takes a big part of my time. So everything here is built around real limits, just like the stuff you guys are going through in your own personal lives. You know, if I had the tools like these years ago, like I said, I would have been better off making the decisions. So I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear what you really want, maybe stuff that you're interested in on your videos. You know, you want and topics you want me to cover. If you want me to be more problem solving or more real world thinking, that's what I'll do. But you know, there's more to this channel that's going on. I'm trying to be more focused on different things, giving you more useful content and more to the point. And I do appreciate you guys being there. We've got more coming. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want you to be safe. And until next time, you know, stay tuned, because I'm hoping that I can give you a lot better videos down the road. And I would like your feedback. So please give me a shout out and let me know what you're thinking. And if anybody ever has any questions, don't feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to communicate with you to help you through your problems as well. So until next time, talk to you guys later.